Estela Perlas-Bernabe, born May 14, 1952, is a former Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Serving from 2011 to 2022, she was the third appointee to the Supreme Court by President Benigno Aquino III on September 16, 2011. Estela Perlas-Bernabe was born in Playa del Bulacan. She earned her Bachelor of Science in Commerce degree, major in Banking and Finance magna cum laude at St. Paul College of Manila, and earned her law degree from the Ateneo de Manila Law School, graduating as class salutatorian in 1976. She passed the Philippine Bar Examination in 1977 with a bar rating of 85.156%. Perlas-Bernabe served the judiciary as Regional Trial Court Judge of Makati from January 2000 to March 2004. Metropolitan Trial Court Judge of the same city from March 1996 to January 2000, and as Technical Assistant in the Office of the Court Administrator, Supreme Court of the Philippines from 1977 to 1979. She also worked in various private and government offices, namely as Legal Assistant, Legal Department of China Banking Corporation, 1979180. Senior Manager, Legal Department of Paramount Finance Corp., 1980 to 1987. Legal Manager, Corporate Secretary, and Legal Consultant of the National Home Mortgage and Finance Corp., 1990 to 1993. And Senior Partner at Bernabe Perlas Moerta and Associates, 1993 to 1996. Supreme Court of the Philippines. Bernabe was the third appointee of President Benigno Aquino III to the Supreme Court of the Philippines as an Associate Justice on September 16, 2011. She replaced Conchita Carpio Morales, who retired from the court on June 19, 2011, and later assumed the position of Ombudsman of the Philippines. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.